Welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be focused on audio for a beginner YouTuber that would like to have a Bluetooth mic for as a lapel mic for their videos. It looks a little goofy, but I hope you enjoy this video. It was pretty windy outside, and I think the system that I developed worked well. I've been working on a lightweight trail vlogging system for audio, and what I've come up with is I've worked through having lapel mics, and the cables are just really annoying. I've used just my iPhone 7's microphone, and the audio sometimes cuts in and out, and it seems to have a lot of noise from wind. What I've come up with, and today's a pretty windy day, as you can see, there's not much wind noise. Come up with having my AirPod, as you can see here, clipped to my chest with a clip that you can get off of Amazon that just clips right to my shirt. I don't need to worry about any cords, and I can just clip it, unclip it, use them as headphones, clip it in for audio. Hope you guys enjoyed. A critical piece of information is to use MoviePro. I'll put a link in the subject below, description below, to download it. It allows you to use a Bluetooth mic while you're recording. Thanks for watching.